Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can redirect domains in Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Cloudflare account, and then you will go to the domain section, which is right here. And of course, you have to make sure that you already have a domain so that you will be able to actually select the domain that you want to redirect. The next, you will go to rules, so it should be right here or somewhere. Uh, so again, you will go to rules, and then what you will do is go to page rules, which is right here, and then you will go to create page rule. So you should have that option. And if it's not visible, then it's probably because you don't have the full version of the website or whatsoever. And again, if you do see something similar to create page rule under the page rules, you will just have to click that. And after that, you will just have to enter the URL pattern that you want to redirect. For example, example.com and slash us. So it should be something like that, like this, example.com slash and then asterisk. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you will just have to choose forwarding URL 301 slash permanent redirect, and then you will just have to enter the destination URL where you want traffic to go. And finally, click save and deploy, and you can test the redirect by visiting the old URL and checking if it takes you to the new location. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.